Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Photo to Calendar feature on your Samsung Galaxy device. So this clever feature automatically detects dates from photos like event posters or invitations and suggests adding them straight to your Samsung calendar. Now this is an app which I found from the Play Store. It's called Snap Event. So it looks like this. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description down below so you can go ahead and download it. Now on this app here, you can go ahead and choose a photo from your gallery or maybe a picture which you've taken of an event poster or invitation. And here I'll just go ahead and just take some flight details which I have saved. Go ahead and crop your image and then go ahead and process it. So let Snap Event have a look at this image of yours. It'll take some time as it's basically analyzing your photo. Now from here, you can see that it has extracted all this information: the start date, end date, location, time zone, and then it's got two dates here. So one for the 21st and the other one is for the 22nd. So you can go ahead and save this to your calendar by tapping Save to Calendar, allow that, and now that event has been added to your calendar. So like this, you can take a photo of a concert ticket. This app will basically pick up the date and it adds it to your calendar instantly. So no more forgetting important events. Your phone does the work for you. So this is perfect for students, professionals, or anyone juggling multiple plans, and it keeps your calendar accurate without manual entry. So there you go guys, that is how to use the Photo to Calendar feature on your Samsung Galaxy device.